Rainwater harvesting can be used in our homes as well as smaller areas where we need less water. And in this location, we're looking at a hunting cabin for our hunters that only use this during certain times of the year. With this building here, we have about 1,500 square foot of roof, and we're catching water off of this building and running through our downspouts and then through our lines that's running to a central point where we have what's called a poor man's roof washer. This catches the first debris and trash that would come from our roof. Then once this is full, then the water is diverted into our tank. We have here a 1,000-gallon polyethylene tank that when it is full, then water runs out through this overflow. This prevents water from backing up through our lines and up into our gutter and putting excess pressure on them. Connecting from our gutters to our downspouts is sometimes a very difficult situation, and it makes it also difficult to convert from our downspout into a round pipe that would carry that water to our collection tank. This location, we have an existing gutter, but we also have a factory-made downspout that makes that connection up there at the top very easy. However, converting from our downspout to our collection pipe and sending that water to the tank takes a special piece of material in this location that we have one that converts from a rectangle to the round and so that it connects into the 3-inch PVC pipe. This is screwed in to our gutter downspout and then also into our PVC pipe with screws, as well as use silicone there to seal it, prevent it from leaking. This 1,000-gallon tank could be full with just slightly over a 1 inch of rainfall event. Whenever we're looking at 1,500 square foot of roof, we multiply 0.6 of a gallon for each 1 square foot to see how much water falls on that roof. And so if we multiply that times 0.6 of a gallon, we come up with 950 gallons for each 1 inch of rainfall during the rainfall event. This water, once this tank is being used by our hunters, we have a cutoff here that then, once that water is then diverted into this pump and pressure tank, then that puts water under pressure that is allowed then to go to the back of our building where our hunters harvest and clean their animals. Then they also are sent out to the outhouse outside for the use of the facilities out there. But the water is also diverted inside this building under that pump and pressure tank, come to this sink where they can use it to wash their dishes, wash their hands, clean up the building with. And it also has a hot water heater that supplies water that's warm for them to use here at the sink, as well as to use water in the shower so they can take a hot shower. But we need to remember that that water is non-potable water, and they have to bring their own source of water to drink and to cook with, and so they can use that for that purposes, as this is non-potable water. But otherwise, this provides the water for these hunters with a very limited amount of cost and very easy to set up and provide water during that supplemental times of the year when they need it here.